Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. I and my babe Sylvia always hold hands cause we understand the power of unity and togetherness. Ultimate Love star Chidi Banks says. Nigerian Ultimate Love reality star Chidi Banks continued to run down of what he and his ultimate girl Sylvia had and did in common while in the Ultimate Love part. On his latest post, he explained why he and Sylvia would always be seen holding hands together, and according to him, it's because they understood the power of unity and togetherness. Chidi continues that this understanding of unity and togetherness makes them stay mentally connected with each other, leaving them to see the love part as smaller and less crowded. He also noted that it is true there were a lot of work they have to do in their relationship and to make it get to where they wanted it, but they use jokes and gossip to chill over it for the better. He said in his post, "Did you notice that my baby Sylvia Ode and I always held hands anytime we were together on the show?" Yeah. Chivia, please stay safe, stay home and stay alive.